again is a little bit difficult. Yes, so if anyone is interested in the Henan Glory palm oil production line, please live in my live dream. Hello. Yes, and here is our company's profile. And here is a different kind of machine of the kernel oil production line, palm kernel oil production line. No worries, and let's go on. Here is the fiber separator. It is using for the palm fiber separator, right? And here is the panel nut grinding machine. Why we need this one? Because if the nut is too big, it will be broken. But it is too small, it will not be broken. So it's a little bit difficult. Okay, so here is cracker. Cracker is using for crack the peanut, the palm nut, and it can be broken. And then it will go to the crusher. It for crush the kernel into the small pieces, right? And also here comes the cooker. Here comes the cooker. Cooker is using for filter the kernels, okay? And then go to the oil presser, kernel oil presser. This presser is only using for the kernel oil. So if you want to press the palm fruit, oh sorry, you couldn't use only this one presser. We have two different presser. The only one is using for press the palm fruit, and the other one is using for making the press of the kernel oil. Okay, so here is a common vegetable oil seeds. And here the picture shows that different kind of seeds. In Henan Glory, we all can doing this production line for you guys. So if you want not only the rice bran oil, but also the castor seed oil, you all can ask me about the details, okay? Yes, and then you can leave a commentary, maybe, and I can find you so I can tell you more details. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And if anyone is interested in our so if anyone is interested in our palm oil or the vegetable oil, you all can live in my live stream here. Okay, no problem. And also here soybean, cottonseed, sunflower seed, and also corn germ. Here all have their own production line. They are all not same to each other. Okay. Yes, so this one is most different from the different kind of seed. And this is a production line of anything of any seeds. Maybe it is using for the palm oil, Maybe it is using for the other oil. Okay, so let's see our factory's animation. We have this animation here. Hello guys, hello. If you want to know more details about the palm oil production line, you can leave anything in the commentary. If I say that, I will tell you more details, okay? So let's going on. This this animation is for 1 ton per hour palm oil frame all-in-one. What's meaning of this? Hello guys, if you are interested in our live stream in the Henan Glory palm oil production line, you can live in my live stream, okay? And I can also give you my WhatsApp number, and also you can give me your WhatsApp number. We have the palm oil factory business or palm oil processing machinery. Please leave your contact information to that we can offer your detailed information, okay? That we can change the information, okay? No problem. So let's look at this one. First, here will come in the water, and here you can see that the doors of the different 4 tank, they are different, right? Because this one is it didn't have the door, and this 3 have the 3 color door, right? Okay, so here comes the water. Why we need this tank for boiling the water? Because guys, the water, if you have hot water in this tank, and it can be sending the hot water to the other 3 tanks, it can provide more hot water or hot steam. And let's look at this tank. Here is a boiler of the wooden, and also you also can put in the palm branches in here to burn. And on here is the water. You can boil in the water. And here is the fruit cage. Fruit cage can put in some palm branches. And every tank have 4 fruit cage, and we use this machine to make the cage out. Hello guys, if you are interested, I want to tell you that we have an overseas warehouse in Nigeria. So if you guys don't want to talking to Chinese like me, yes, my English is really poor, you can go to the Nigeria warehouse, and we have the native people, workmates. They can treat you very well, I think. Here we can put in some palm fruit in the fruit cage, and then sending it to the sterilization tank. And each tank have 4 cages, okay? And then close the door. And if you want to see how many laboratories should I have, here you need a laboratory for open the doors, or they would control this kind of machine, this honey machine, and it will be honeying out the fruit cage. And then here we'll go to the thresher. Thresher will push out the fruit, the single fruit, right? And then bunches will be collected in this little cart. And this way will go with the fruit, palm fruit. And the fruit will go to the first presser. And we can see these two presser. What is it? This is the double screw palm presser, right? So first presser will pushing out the impurities, and the second presser will be have the second time to press the impurities in here. And then here will comes the fibers. I think fibers with the kernel, right? And this box is for oil cleaning. Hello guys, if you are interested in our live stream, please leave in here. And my company named Henan Glory. So if you guys are interested in the equipment of making the palm oil, please leave in here. Okay, please leave in here. Maybe we have the chance to realize each other. Right? We have an overseas warehouse in Nigeria, and this what's wrong? This is a vibration sieve. It can sieve out the bigger fibers of the palm, and then go to the film filter press. It will be press out the oil. And this one, it will be separation the oil and water in here. So if you guys are interested in Henan Glory, you can leave in my live stream, okay? Yes, and you can also leave your WhatsApp number to me, and I can tell you more details. You can tell me your WhatsApp number, right? And here is the gas in here. So I think I will tell you the benefits of this kind of production line. First of all, this production line is more easy to settlation. Why? Because it named this all-in-one frame production line. All-in-one frame. The machine is in three different frame, and you can only settle the like this, the yellow one. You can also you can only making the yellow one together, and then it can work very fast. Yes, it named the 1 ton per hour palm oil frame all-in-one machine production process. Yes, so if you guys are interested in our live stream, please leave in my in my live stream, let me tell you more details, okay? And let me show you our photos. We are not only doing the palm oil, but also we also can do some common seeds, common vegetable seeds oil for you. Not only the sunflower seeds, but also the like the rice bran seed. It all can do it for you. And here is the step of the common seeds. Like the oil seeds, at first go to the cleaning machine. Cleaning has 3 steps. You need to choose the 3 type different machine, and husking it, crushing it, softening it, flaking and cooking. Then it can go to the pressing machine to press out the oil, and then go to the filtering step, and at least crude oil and cake it will be coming out. Yes, these pictures are for our factory's project, and this one is the most simple way to cooking the oil, common seeds oil. Only a cooker, a conveyor to making the seeds in the bottom, and on the top, and then go to the presser, expeller, and then it will be filtered, and then crude oil is making done. And also we can provide you the whole production line. This one named the whole production line, right? But also we can give you the only one machine, this one machine, this one machine. No problem. And here is a single oil expeller presser, right? And the capacity of this one, maybe it is the most single one, most simple one. It is for 1 to 20 tons per hour. And here you can see the details. So if you guys are interested in our company, I want to tell you that we have an overseas warehouse in Nigeria, right? And if you don't want to talking to your Chinese guys, please leave your message in the commentary, okay? And then I can give you the way to contact with my Nigeria workmates. They are the native people. Alright? Yes, so here is the automatic temperature control oil expeller. Automatic. And the last one, here is the automatic temperature control vacuum filtration integrated oil expeller. It is more automatic, maybe. And this one can control this one can control the temperature, and these two are it can switch. So if you guys are interested in my live stream, please leave a message for me, okay? Please leave a message for me. And we also can give you the solvent extraction method. And here is the main process of the solvent extraction section. At least here is the refinery. Refinery is most important in the eating oil what we made, right? So if you want your oil can eating by people, everyone need to refinery. Like this kind of oil, they all need to refinery, right? And this is a profile of the refinery. So if you guys are interested in our live stream, please live in my live stream. And I am from China. Of course, our office is a Chinese office, Chinese company. We named the Henan Glory. Henan Glory is a big company of the cooking, of making the equipment of the oil pressing. Here is the best type refinery plant. It can using for the 20 ton per day, 20 ton per day's capacity. The picture shows we all have the machine or the production line. So please trust me, trust the Chinese people. And this one is frication, winterization, and dewaxing. It is also making the eating oil, edible oil, right? Edible oil. So if you guys are interested in our live stream, please leave a message for me, and my assistant will contact you as soon as possible. Yes, so if anyone don't have question, my live stream will be closed in 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes later, okay? 10 minutes later. So if you are interested, you want to know more details, please give me your message. Give me your phone number. Give me your WhatsApp number. Here is what we use in our factory. And if you come to China, Zhengzhou province, our people will treat you very well, and they can give you some most delicious Chinese food. Okay? Yes, and also here's machine we all can provide for you, like the oil tank and the white bridge. And here are our customers in here. Customers, okay? Customers, most of our customers are from Africa, but a little bit they from the South Asian, maybe South Asian, and South America too, like the Mexico. And also we have the customer from Peru. And this commerce are all our workmates, And here's pictures are also the customers with the salesperson. And here is the project cases. So if you guys are interested, please leave your message in the commentary. Indonesia, China, and also Nigeria, Peru, Tanzania have our project. We have the project all over the world, and these pictures are real, not the fake one. We have this company is for 11 years old. So if you want to believe us, we will provide you very useful or very good production line for you guys. Okay? Yes, no problem. So let's look at the video again. This video is for making the palm oil production line. 1 ton per hour palm oil free all in one machine production process. This way will come to the water, and you can see here is the 4 tanks here. The first one, it will be put into the hole of water, and under it here is a burning thing to burning the water, and it can provide the heater or steam. Steam will be sending with the tube to the other 3 tanks. And also this tank, here is a boiler water, and the steam will be using for the palm fruit sterilization, right? And using in this way, we will use for 120 hours for cooking the palm fruit. Here is 4 doors because in this sterilization tank it can have the 4 fruit cage. And we'll be putting in the fruit. Here is a honeying machine. It will be honeying out or honey in it. Hello guys, if you are interested, please leave a message to me as soon as possible because our live stream will be ending in 5 minutes. And here is going to the swisher. Swisher will be push out, will be making the fruit out. And this swisher is for 2.5 kilometers longer. It will be swish out the fruit here. And the bunches we need to collect in here, in this cart. And this way, it's the fruit going in the first presser. Here is the presser. And this presser or expeller, it is the double screw one, double screw expeller. And also putting it in the first one. First one have some impurities like the fruit or the kernel, and also the fibers will coming into the second stage. It will be pressing again. Here is the kernels and also the palm fruit kernel. And this one is for cleaning the oil. Look at this tank. And then go to the vibration sieve. Vibration sieve, here comes out the hot water. Hot water can making the oil keep going, keep running. And then the oil will go to the platform. Platform can press out the oil, and then it can be press out the impurities. And this tank is for separation the water and oil. So if you guys are interested, please leave a message for me, okay? Yes. And my live stream will be ending in 2 minutes later. So if you are interested in the Henan Glory palm oil production line, please leave a message for me. Or you can send a private message to me about your WhatsApp number or your phone number. Here is the whole production line of the 1 ton per day, 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. Yes, our company is in Henan. It's in Henan Zhengzhou province, and also our company is in Henan. So if you guys are interested in the different kind of palm oil production line, please leave a message for me. Okay, please leave a message for me. Please leave a message for me. Now I need to over my work because in China here is night. Here is about 6 p.m. in here. I don't know what time it's you here, but I know that I will end up this live stream. Maybe we will see you at next week, okay? And you want to ask me something, you want to know more details about the production line, you all can leave a private message for me, okay? Leave a private message for me, and I will give you more details about the whole production line. Okay, no problem. So see you guys. Bye.